Marustech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can create and log a Netflix profile. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial with your friend, and don't forget to like. So, in the first step, I'm going to come and press this Windows icon and then look for Microsoft Edge. And then once I reach Microsoft Edge, I'll type in netflix.com, netflix.com, and then I'll visit that website. And then after visiting it, I'm going to come where you see these three dots, and then I'll come and then press more tools, and then I'll tap onto apps, and then I'll tap this button right here, which will be reading install this site as an application. And then after installing it, I'll come to my Windows icon again, and then I'll come to I'll come where I search from, and then I search for Netflix application, and then I'll come and press open. So once I open the Netflix application, I'm going to come where you see add a profile, and then I'll type in the profile name. In this case, I'll come and put it as Marustech, and then I can put it as a kid's profile or not, and then I'll come and press save. So once I press save, I'm going to come and open it, and once I open it, I'm going to choose the language. I'll select next, and then I'll pick 3 movies I want, so that Netflix can be able to customize the movies I'll be watching. And then after, it will be looking like this. As you see, I'm able to play some movies. Now I'm going to go to the next step, that is a movie. Let me first show you that I'm able to play some movies. I'm able to play some movies. So I'm going to go to the next step. So if you need a Netflix account, let me know in the comment section. I'll be providing you with one.
What took place 30 years ago
I'm going to come right here
is unfolding once again within the palace.
I'm going to come right here, and then I'm going to come to manage profiles. And then once I check manage profiles, I'm going to come and then I look for that profile, which is Marustech. And then I'm going to come where I see profile log, and then I'll create a profile log. By checking profile log, they will send me an email or a text on the email I was using on my Netflix account. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. After creating a profile log, it will be looking like this. Let me show you. Switch profile, and then it will be looking like this. That when I press in, I'll be able to put in my profile log. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustech, and I sign out. Let me know if you want an account for Netflix. I'll guide you.